my correct people. Na so na dey see am for here. Na so e be o. Wahala don jam wahala. Message to Monica Lobolobo. Omo, e don set for Monica Lobolobo Wahala TV. E don provoke comment for Monica Lobolobo. E con give Monica woto for inside this video. Come blastalize Monica black and blue. My country people, no be small thing o. This one na wahala, really jam wahala. Okay, my people, wetin this woman, this oyibo woman, because na the oyibo wey be say e marry to Nigeria. E say me Monica Lobolobo no call her name anyhow. The way e be say Monica dey call Lolo name anyhow, say if Monica try am to her, say e say e go bring court paper to Monica. Hey, e go draw am to court of law. My country people, as my ear hear this one, na know say as I proko wey me I be na na I run kitikiti katakata. I say only my ear no go hear this one. Make I bring this one for now. Tori don wawa no be small thing. Una know say as we dey here so na I no fit just talk am alone. We must go comment section. Make we go see the woto wey the rest people come give Monica Lobolobo for inside this video. No be small thing o. So make we dey go comment section. And e come even talk am say Monica Lobolobo no know 1 2 3 o. Na Wahala TV talk am like that o. He say no know 1 2 3. He say how Monica go dey call herself big man wife, say na small man wife. Hey! Wahala no dey finish, my people. Oya na, make we go there. Make we go comment section sharply. Madam, forget about that. Forget about that. The snake tongue woman, she no reach your level. You have described her perfectly. Let me go and search for your channel. Hey! Let me go and search for your channel, Joe. I need mature mind, not all those locals. He say no be all those local people wey be say they dey fear to talk to Monica Lobolobo. So another one don land from Gladys. Say Gladys, hey, which one be snake tongue again? Una get match, sha? My country people, no be small thing o. Make we dey go now. Africa are course. Other rounds use social media for progress, while we use it to destroy each other. Who did this to us? Hey, my country people, this one na ewe. Chineke me, who do us this one? Monica. The way this one take write Monica na wow. Kedede. This one na see o. Monica, this one no be Lolo. When you dey call her name anyhow, she go put pepper for your eye. Monica, you hear am? Monica. They say this Wahala channel, e no be Lolo. Say this Wahala channel go put pepper, na pepper for your eye, Monica Lobolobo. You don set here, mama. You don ready. Water don pass garri. Oga don run away. Oh, it don happen. So another one dey here, Pretty Sunday. Who be Lolo? So okay, make we open. We have a lot of comments here. Who be Lolo? Social media ashawo. This comment sections, e too sweet me oh. I don't know whether it is sweet or not. This woman really gets all the information of Monica. Hey! This comment section sweet today oh. Aduke, Sally, Asomi, Sorodo. I don't know what you want try to talk. Oh yeah, now make we enter there. Make we go look up. So Monica was in Germany doing water ministry, and he agreed she has her information. Okay, now make we still dey go. This comment section sweet, sha. How many of una agree with me say this comment section sweet? Aish, sweet like sugar. Well, you help you can call Cora because this matter wey dey ground na Cora matter na im dey cause kasala wey dey burst for everywhere. My country people, when we want to end this Cora matter, make we leave Cora in peace. My people, another person should not call your name. We will give it woto woto skinny. I tell una say this comment section e hot like akpoko na pepper. Shut up, woman. What level are you, woman? Talking nonsense. Iyo. This comment section na odukwa hot to away. Madam, you have finished Monica. Oh, ha 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 ha. She really married all the insults. Madam, and all what you said is real chai chineke me. She is really trash. Ashawo kobo. As e dey be for here na so me akalo ekwa. Monica, the leader, everybody wants to trade with your name. Who be this mumu? Oh, Coco Bioko, I tell una say this comment section go hot yo. E too hot here. So that trash. They old like that to charge Iyele Kute. Wow, Mona, follow me up here. No, me say I too sabi read though. I still dey learn. Everybody na learn na. You are not cook it. Hey, this comment this one na from this person. I believe say na Sokoto. Cook. Never hear this one once. So see wahala oh. Yes oh, wahala don wear skirt and blouse, agbada and sokoto. Big man wife TV. Abeg, wetin be the lady China? Make I go follow her joor. Na wahala TV oh, abi wahala channel. My people, una see this comment section now wey just dey hot. No be small thing. This woman, when she dey talk so no well. Wetin she dey talk for mouth now even get meaning. Oyibo na come give una woto like this. My country people, hi, shame on una, shame me. Unu no man for now. Ihwe. Monica, the hero lady, the truth teller. This one na Monica. People, okay oh, obetien, and if you like it, how you anyone wanna talk? Na comment section I can't read though. Smart Obasuyi, go use peace. Abeg. What you say use? Okay now, go use peace wash your face, make you dey sing well. Okay, now this one wey say Lady Monica the truth teller. Now that the fire for here say go use peace wash your face, make you dey see well. Now they tell this Obasuyi for here. So don red for you Obasuyi. Love you Monica. Okay oh, see red head my people. Some still put like oh. Me I not get to where they join oh. I just come this comment section. Say me I can't give my correct people wetin dey happen for this comment section. You are very correct. She is a trash. Ha. Okay now. Marvelous say ayoyowa oyegile iyotikun. Where you dey find who no find you? Papa Uwala side chick. Ha. Okay oh. A comment now for Damegbe o when okay. We get the big comment say Yoruba people make una no just start the calling names here. Na only una dey leave una husband for living room dey fuck for bedroom. Look at all the dirty people when shit here dey eat same place. Shame. Ha 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 ha. My country people. Hey! How una see this matter na? How una see this comment section? Make una let me know if this comment section, if e sweet una like me. Make una let me know. So we have another comment wey be say e hide for here. E be like say na wahala channel. Abeg wait for me make I wear my slippers make we waka go together. Okay, dem wan go follow wahala channel be wahala tv wetin dem dey call am o. Guys, the woman wey be say the white woman wey come give woto to Monica Lobolobo. This woman when she dey talk so okay, I don first see this comment. Mouth no even get meaning. My people, abeg anything wey una think about this video, make una no forget to comment down below. Say wahala e don jam wahala, and if una wan watch this full video, make una come watch am for Aproko the Godfather. Hey! Believe say people go don comment more. Oya na, make we still go there, make we go check. So any new comment? No new comment, my people, abeg. If una enjoy this comment section, make una no forget to comment down below. And if you never subscribe to this my channel, Sweet Mother Gist TV, Wayekeji, abeg, hit that red button wey say subscribe, and also on the notification bell, the bell icon, so that anytime when I take drop new video like this, you'll be the first to watch. See you guys on my next video. Bye bye.